This is such a very sturdy and durable deadbolt locking fingerprint, and you have the key pin pad here, which is very, very cool. Not deadbolt, sorry, just regular door lock. But I really, really love this sleek look and modern design of this. This is very cool. It's very unique looking. I've never seen a door lock like this at all. So you have different modes. So you have the pin pad here, you have the fingerprint and a regular key, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I've never seen one like this. It's very unique. Very, very cool. And I love the matte black look, kind of look to it. Very sleek looking.